In this video, we showcase a Detroit Speed and Engineering built 671 horsepower 1967 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova owned by Bob Gawlik. Gauges with pertinent racing data displayed on the Holley digital dash, vintage air vents and controls tucked into the dash. Bracing from the firewall to the control arm mounts, inner fenders create an integrated suspension that stiffens the chassis. LS7 block prepped with a 4-inch Callies crank and 4.25-inch GE forged pistons. Nova front subframe that tie the front rails into the floorboard as well as the firewall. 3-piece forge line GZ3R wheels forged from 6061 T6 aluminum. Offer plenty of brake clearance. Tuned Holley Dominator ECU cranks out 671 horsepower and 594 pound-foot of torque. Spindle and control arms use double adjustable JRI shocks, pack springs, rear suspension, and quadrelink. Seats are padded and deeply bolstered and ready for the track. Body smoothed, streamlined by adding flush mount glass, removing body side moldings and drip rail moldings. 7-liter short block topped with a pair of Brodix BR7 heads, importing from West Coast CNC. Detroit Speed door handles, S500 Mustang side mirrors, flush door lock cylinders and bumpers tucked into the body. AP Racing brake calipers, 6 stainless steel pistons, 14.6-inch rotors, Tilton master cylinder and Detroit Speed bias control. Full-length rocker jack rails for trackside tire changes. Door panels are blacked out aluminum sizable sheets of smooth carbon fiber punctuated by a grab handle, window crank, and latch lever. One-piece custom door glass add up to a more contemporary look for DSE's Nova. Custom cam from Bennett Racing Engines and Johnson lifters actuate the valves with GM rockers that use upgraded trunnions. Paint is race-bred Rosso Corsa, a factory Ferrari color. BF Goodrich G-Force Rival S tires, 275/35 ZR18 front and 305/30 ZR18 rear. Hood is carbon fiber to offset the roll cage weight with a total curb weight of 300 pounds. Passenger side gas filler for racing, carbon fiber components and other details done in black. Outfitted with a trailer hitch to tow track support equipment on the over 3,000-mile Oloa circuit. MSD atomic intake manifold fitted with a 102mm Nick Williams throttle body. Detroit Speed mini tub allowed for 305mm wide rubber to fit on the compact Nova. Perfect mix of a quieter cruising tone and a throaty full throttle cackle. 6-speed transmission on a frame and suspension package. Full tubular frame, built-in jack points on the rockers, and DSE full Chevy 2 front subframe assembly. Fully custom stainless exhaust system with Hooker Blackhart mufflers. Detroit Speed fabricated metal airbox integrated with a 180-degree tube from the throttle body. Backing the engine is a Bowler T56 Magnum 6-speed transmission. Roll cage with harness bar and front tubes hugging the A-pillars closely. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future.